Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to add bill of entry or BOE number in shipment or job in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now open the respective shipment or job for which you are going to add BOE number. If it is a current active shipment or job, then you can open it directly. After your click will be redirected to the respective shipment or job page. There you can find all the details regarding your job or shipment. Now click on edit button, which is at the top right side of the page. There you can find bill of entry number column. We have to provide here the bill of entry number. After providing the bill of entry number, click on save changes button. Now the bill of entry number will get reflected in this shipment. So this is how you can add bill of entry number in shipment or job in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.